Hey guys, Jennifer Theory here with my own channel, Jennifer Theory, and with Theory Family Balls. Just letting the girls play outside, and as you can tell, we got road construction going on right in front of our house. They've been going since about 9:30 this morning. Woo! The girls just playing in all the leaves that fell off our tree. You want to say hi to everybody, Violet? Say hi, Emily. So I just wanted to give everybody a quick update on what's going on. I'm getting covered in leaves. So, hope everybody has a good day. Say bye, Violet. Bye. Say bye, Emily.